class 7A studying in Velammal Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, Karur. I am much delighted and overjoyed to participate in Valence Expo 2020. I am going to exhibit the project Layers of the Earth. Let's go! Just like an onion, the Earth is made up of several concentric layers, with one inside another. The uppermost layer of the Earth is the crust. It is the thinnest among all. And just beneath the crust is the mantle. It extends up to the depth of 2,900 kilometers just beneath the crust. The innermost layer of the Earth is the core. It has a depth of 3,500 kilometers. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron. It is also called as knife. Ni nickel and Fe for ferrous, that is iron. The center core has very high temperature and pressure. Did you know the crust forms only 1% of the mantle and 15% makes the core? The radius of the Earth is 6,371 km. Hope I was clear and thank you for the opportunity provided.
My name is T. Jennifer Blessy, studying 7th A plus in Velammal Vidyalaya, Karur. I am going to describe the component of my wireless robot. I have used 3-wheel chassis with 2-wheel and 1 caster wheel. I have used 2 Bevo motors and 2 battery packs and 1 Arduino UNO board, L298 motor drive to control the motor, and very important component HC06 Bluetooth module. I'm gonna give a demo. I'm gonna show you a demo. I'm using my smartphone as my remote.
I am Aura Sanjit. I am studying 7th standard in Velammal Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, Karur. I am overjoyed to participate in Valence Expo 2020. I am going to exhibit the project mechanism of breathing. During inhalation process, the lungs get filled with air. This movement increases the space in our chest cavity. During exhalation process, air is pushed out of the lungs. This reduces the size of the chest cavity. This movement in our body can be felt easily. This process takes place continuously in our body. Thank you for your opportunity provided.
Excellent morning, everybody. I am MS Vishnu Karthik 7C from Velammal Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, Karur. Now I am showing the air pressure experiment. Fill water on the water bottle. Fill water in the bottle and put hole on the bottle. The water was not coming out. When I removed the cap, the water was coming out. When I closed, the water was not coming out. Now let us talk why it's happening. When there was a cap on bottle, the water was coming out because all of the air which is present around the bottle created a pressure and not allowing it to come out. However, when I removed the cap from the bottle, the air created a pressure on water and it's allowed the water to come out. Thank you.
studying in Velama Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, Karur. I am much delighted to participate in Well Expo 2020. I am going to exhibit the project, The Earthquake and its Alarm. Let's go. So this project works under the principle of open circuit and a closed circuit. So this is an open circuit and the alarm is a closed circuit. So when there is a large number of destructions, there will be no flow of current. So the circuit opens. So this alarm works under the open circuit. So when there is no current, this alarm flows. Let me tell how this project works. Okay, stop. So this is how the project works. So this would help the people to get awareness about their life during an earthquake. So I request the government to place like this an alarm in a public place like a fire alarm so that people can safety their life. Thank you for the opportunity provided.
I am studying in Velamal Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School. I am going to explain the concept of circumference of the circle. Through this video, you can get a clear idea about concept of circumference of the circle. For this, I have taken thread, circle, semicircle and a quadrant circle. Thus, radius of the circle that I have taken is 7 cm. See, the circumference of a circle, formula of the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. What is this 2 pi r? This 2 pi r is nothing but the arc length of the circle. Arc length of the circle is equal to the circumference of the circle. The circumference of the circle is 44 cm. This is the 44 cm long thread. Now I am going to fit this thread. It is exactly fitted in this shape. It is exactly fitted in this shape. Now I am going to the semicircle. See, the circumference of the semicircle is 2r plus pi r. Now my question is, the half of the circumference of the circle is equal to the circumference of the semicircle? No, it is not equal to. See the circumference 2r plus pi r. This pi r is nothing but the arc length. This 2r is 2 radius. Here one radius and here one radius. So the circumference of the semicircle is equal to 36 cm. Now I am coming to the quadrant circle. Another one question, half of 1/4 of the circumference of the circle is equal to the circumference of the quadrant circle? No, it is not equal. Because see the circumference of the formula for this quadrant circle 2r plus pi r by 2. This pi r by 2 is nothing but the arc length of this shape. This 2r is nothing but the radius. So the circumference of this shape is 25 cm. Now I am putting this 25 cm long thread here. See friends, this is exactly fitted. So from this video, you can understand the concept of circumference of the circle. Thank you for watching this video.
My name is N. Sarthappan from 7D. Velamal Vidyalaya Karur. To do experiment for Wales Expo. A perfume contains of 78 to 95% of essential oil. Compress the remaining ingredients. Common ingredients are found in perfume: acetone and methylene chloride and camphor and benzyl alcohol. While we are using fire, we should not keep the perfume near. We can go to experiment. Fire react with component of perfume. will give flame. I'm going to explain about respiration in lungs. We already know respiration in lungs, they are respirate to stomata. How can we respirate and what do you mean by respiration? Let's see about it. Respiration is the process of intaking oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide. This gas exchange is done by pair of lungs. There are two processes. One is inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation means intaking of air. Exhalation means giving out of air. Nostril to lungs is called inhalation. Lungs to nostril is called exhalation. The pathways are nostril, nostril chamber, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi and alveoli is the two parts of lungs. Now, the important role of lungs and what is the inhalation process? Let's see about it. Inhalation. While inhalation, our lungs is filled with air. And the important role of lungs is lungs pumps the oxygen rich blood to heart. And heart leaves, lungs takes the oxygen poor blood and it leaves it to atmosphere. Now we can see by seeing this we can get an idea why we cannot breathe normally at cold, because the dust particles which are present in atmosphere which enters in our trachea and which the air passing area it disperses the lungs, the inhalation and exhalation. Okay, now we can see the pathways by the diagram. This is called nasal passage and this is called oral cavity and this is called pharynx and this is called larynx and the ring-like structure we can feel here ring-like structure is called trachea and the reddish part is called larynx. We have two lungs and this which protect the lungs is the bones is called rib cage and lungs have tree-like branches. But the branches are called alveoli, nothing but hair hustles. The small branches is called bronchi. This all process is called human respiration system. By seeing this, we can see the part where it is function. How can it function by the project which I have done here. And imagine that it is the skin and this is the nasal cavity. Open the skin, we can see the rib cage. We have 12 rib cage. Here 12 and here 12. Totally 24 rib cage, bones are in rib cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And while opening here, we can see the trachea. I said no, the ring-like structure, trachea. And here we have two lungs. And while opening the lungs, we can see the branches which are called alveoli and bronchi. Okay friends, by seeing this, we can say that lungs is the important organ and it gives the air which we breathe, which is called oxygen. Thank you friends.
My name is Gayatri. I am studying in 7th standard Velammal Vidyalaya in Karur. I was very happy to attend the Bell Expo 2020. Today I am going to explain my project. My project name is Reusable Battery Charger. I was attached to 4 battery and this battery was reused. Reusable battery and I was attached a power bank 2-pin board. One is input and output and 4 LEDs. One battery will not have a charger means one LED will not blow it. Now we can test and see it. Wow, it was charging very well. And we can test and see in power bank. Wow, power bank also charging, here also blowing. And this power bank battery will not have it means one LED light will not blow it. Now this battery will not having only one LED light, you can see a battery charging. Now you can able to see that on and offing. Until it was charging. Until my like children's online class and seeing online class time not having current anyway, going to outside me, it will use to very well. There is so bright light. We can, it is small only, we can put it back also, it will go it is very safely. You can take and go it anywhere. Thank you for your opportunity.
I am Yasmin of class 7A, studying in Velamal Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, Karur. I am much overjoyed to participate in Wales Expo 2020. I am going to exhibit the project Application of Force in Physics. Take a water bottle, colored water, candle and knife. First put a hole on the bottle using candle and knife. Then pour the colored water into bottle by closing the hole using funnel. Close the bottle tightly. We think the water flows out through the hole, but not, the water does not come out. Now open the bottle cap slightly. See? The air gets in and water flows out from hole. Air is needed for flowing. Now close the cap and press the water. Air gets inside the hole. Now water flows out. While pressing the air, bubbles form due to surface tension. We concluded that if air gets in by any way, the water flows. Thank you for the opportunity provided.
I am S.A. Nimalation of class 7A plus Velamal Vidyalaya, Karur. I done touchless doorbell for Wales Expo 2020. Required things: buzzer, 10K variable resistor, 10K resistor, 220 OHM resistor, 100 OHM resistor, IR sensor and battery. Now let's see how it works. Thank you.
I am Ritwik G of 7A plus from Velamal Vidyalaya, Karur. Now I am going to do a water alarm for Wales Expo 2020. Now let's see the required materials. We need 2 iron nails, a battery and an emergency alarm, switch and a PVC pipe and a box. Okay friends, now let's see how to make. First we should take big hole, one hole on here and big hole on here. In this side we should put 2 holes. Then we should take the battery and the switch. Take the switch and fit to this cap in the holes like this. Then take the buzzer and leave the wires inside this hole. Then we should put the two holes on this PVC pipe in two sides. Then we should take a iron and we should tie up with the wire. Then take the PVC pipe and leave the wire inside this hole and take upper side of the PVC pipe and like this keep the iron and tight it. Like this, tie this iron too. Then take the battery and connect the positive wire of the battery to the switch. And tie the positive wire of the alarm to the switch. And take the wire which we have connected to the iron and the negative wire of the alarm. After connecting the iron wire to the negative wire of the alarm and the another wire to the negative wire of the battery. Now what I have done is connecting circuit of the alarm, and now let's see how to place it in the box. Now take the both negative connected ends of the wire. Take the box and hold it like this. Now take the wire which connected to the iron and connect. Take the wire which connected to the iron and leave it in the separate holes of the box. Like this we should connect the wires to the box. Now connect the both negative wire as per before we have connected. After connecting the both wires, keep the battery inside the box and close the box. Let's test how it working. Now what I have done is to prevent water overflow from the tank. Thank you.
I am Shashank of class
Shamsi, studying in Velma Vidyalaya, Karur. I am so much glad to participate in Wells Expo 2020. I am here to explain my physics project about conduction. Let's now see our experiment. For this, I have placed a metal rod and fixed some wax pieces on it. When the metal rod gets heated up, the wax pieces begin to melt. This shows that the heat transfers from the hotter end to the colder end of the metal rod. This process is known as conduction. The objects which allow heat to pass through it are called conductors. Thank you.
From 7A plus, my project is laminar flow for wells. Take a balloon filled with water and add the sellotapes on the four sides with a gap at the middle. Hole at the gap with a sharp object. You can see that the water is coming out, but the water is like freezed. This is called laminar flow. Flow is a fluid flow in which fluids travel in smooth and regular path.